What's up, guys? This is your boy Liam, Night Rider, baby. EUC on ground, of course. I got the Commander Pro here, CNC, all the way. So my Commander Pro, for some reason, had a missing roller. So I mean, it still rode fine. The suspension felt fine still, but Bagode sent me rollers along with some other things. Not sure if I need everything, but I do know I need the roller. So I'm going to show you guys how to take the Commander Pro apart and how easy it is. Just a little tedious because there's a lot of screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 screws we gotta take out. So two screws are underneath my bio pads from Christopher Clark. What's up? What's up, Chris? So I don't know which one these are. I'm just gonna stick it in and turn it, see if it turns. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all these screws. The pedals do not need to come out. So let's go. I'll probably edit this if I know how to edit it. Edit it. I talk to myself a lot. No big deal. Makes the day go by fast. Now I'm talking to an audience that won't talk back. Say something in comments. So what's cool about the Commander Pro is it's one whole body, I mean, two sides basically only, and it's held together super tight, so it feels very, very stable. I'm gonna refrain myself from using power tools because Marty's probably watching. Yeah, taken this thing apart probably 3 times already, so changed the tire and all kinds of stuff. Fairly simple. What can we talk about? Talk about the bio pads. I really like these pads. They're squishy, but they're strong, and people that have ridden with me, they know I like to do little hops and stuff on big wheels, like the Master Pro and things like that. So I don't know, I'll hop 4 feet going 20, 30 miles an hour, maybe 20, 25. But these bio pads work. That was one thing I was afraid if they were gonna give me support while I would do my hops, but they do. So the new ones that are coming, that I'm gonna order tomorrow, they're gonna come with red acrylic pedals instead of this clear. Black and red, obviously. I'm wearing a beanie right now because I just woke, well, kind of didn't sleep, but my hair's a mess. I was watching Kobe? Bagode, that guy. And they were testing the Master, or not Master, the Extreme. Yeah, no sleep. So they were testing the Extreme. So the Extreme is 36 kilograms, which turns out to be about 79, 80 pounds. I thought it was gonna be a lot more. And what else? 130 millimeters travel. No USB. There's somebody in the room kept on asking about USB. I don't know who uses USB on their wheels. I don't. I'll have an extra battery pack in my backpack or something. This might be a long video with all these screws, but we'll see. I probably won't edit it. I'll just post it because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna close this guy back up. So what's cool about the Commander Pro is the outside is metal, where the inside is plastic. So that helps with the weight. You don't really need the inside to be metal. But it has our demo wheel, Brian Dillard has it. He's crashed it numerous times. So, and it still works. So this wheel is a beast, and it's super fun to ride. It just wants to go. I think it's more, I don't know, torquey or more get up and go-y than the EX30. So what I also did was I put these lights that I bought on AliExpress on the bottom of the pedals, and it lights it up, kind of like shred lights, but a poor man's version of shred lights. So they last, I want to say, a good hour and a half, 2 hours. So if you get two, that'll be good for a night ride. All right, last bolt. So this panel just comes off, but the battery cable is there too, so be careful of that. All right, I'm gonna just have it lean on something. This is just a magazine rack. So this thing just comes off. Guess I don't really need it completely off. Just gonna have it lean on this. All right, so there's rollers here. This one's missing. Everything else is here, I think. Yeah, hopefully. Won't be the first if I'm wrong. Little baggies. Always have problems. All right, here we go. All right, so it just screws in basically. I think. Yeah. Oh man, old man eyes. Oh, looks like the bolt is cut out there. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. You guys can see how I took it apart. I'm gonna figure out a way to take this screw out. Should be pretty easy. All right, then you just put it back the way it is. Use Loctite 243 to Loctite those screws in, and that is it. See y'all later. We're gonna get the A2 hopefully at the end of this week. We're gonna get 2 A2 demos, one to Marty, one to Law. I'm hoping I get it by Friday, so that way Saturday we can do a live unboxing in Las Vegas. If not, we'll do another time, but should get it at latest next week. It's stuck in Hong Kong Customs right now. And then Commander Mini should be shipping either end of this week or early next week. air shipping here. So we're gonna get two demo wheels of that also. And we're gonna get 2 extremes also, hopefully soon. And that's it. We'll see y'all next time.